Hello, hi. My name is Som Sengupta. I represent Specialty Products and Services. We are exhibiting here at the IPEC 2024 in Hyderabad. Our company specializes in industrial work at height using non-traditional systems of access, which is non-scaffolding, etc. A system particularly called rope access. We are today the largest company in India, which is into rope access operations. As part of our access strategy, we also develop our own rovers and drones. As you can see at the back of me, there are certain specialized industrial drones which are there for inspection, industrial inspection, ultrasonic thickness measurement, visual inspection, thermal inspection, etc. of chimney stacks. We also have magnetic rovers which can crawl across pipes and other industrial horizontal structures to take gas readings or industrial thickness measurements. We are spread all over India, and we specialized with the heavy industry, but we serve steel industry, cement industry, power industry, oil and gas, and we are about 2,000 people today, and we are growing very quickly. We have drones which perform certain specific tasks. So visual inspection is one variety of our drone. Thermal inspection is something else which we do. And also we are the only ones in India whose drones are capable of doing ultrasonic thickness measurement, which is normally done by hand. But we can have a drone go and take the thickness measurement of the shell of a chimney, whether it has gone through corrosion, etc., using a drone. So that is something quite unique as an industrial service. We don't cater to the farming industry. There are other, spraying drones, etc., which are specialized for that area. But we serve the industry, so we are currently not serving the farming sector. I think it's great. We are coming here for the first time. In fact, this is one of our first, exhibitions which we are conducting out here. And so I think the turnout has been good. This is the first day, and we are hoping for further turnout over the next 2 days.